Alright, so tonight I'll be taking you to my hosting gig. Finally guys, malapit na kami dun sa venue. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung mga sinakyan namin kasi dalawang beses kami nag-bus then nag-tricycle.
Look into your eyes, I feel longings too deep to describe. You are to me truly the most beautiful woman in the world.
Even as unto Christ, loving and serving you.
So we're here at John and Jazel's wedding. Hello Mama! Ate Karen! Hello guys! For today's video, it's gonna be about my friend's wedding. Nakaibigan din na Ate Karen, si Jazel. Alright, so tonight I'll be taking you to my hosting gig. But this time, it's gonna be different kasi friend ko yung ikakasal. And now, before anything else, syempre the usual thing bago sila pumunta dito sa reception area, magka-cocktails muna kami. Now, let's see what's in store for us. Hello everyone, so now this is going to be my program flow. Ayan. And then while I'm waiting for the couple, it's time for me to
Day 2.
Hello everybody! So, yun yung nangyari kagabi sa wedding ni Jazel and John. Actually, that was my first time to meet John. So blessed to meet his family and even yung family ni Jazel. Maasikaso talaga sa amin and sobrang saya actually. Ang dami pang nangyayari last night na hindi kayang i-capture ng camera ko. And it's really hard, honestly, it's so hard to vlog when you're at work. And my camera died last night kaya hindi ko na rin talaga na-film lahat. But anyways, just to give you a little background about our friendship, si Jazel, we were worship leaders back then sa isang church, nung college kami. And then, when we graduated, naghiwa-hiwalay na kami. Ipat kami ng bahay. Si Jazel naman bumalik sa Cavite. Si Ate Karen naman, nandun pa rin siya. And by the way, si Ate Karen, she was our discipler and mentor in the music ministry. I thought nung nagkahiwa-hiwalay na kami, inisip ko na parang hindi na magko-continue yung friendship kasi have our own circle of friends. Pero sobrang nakaka-amaze lang si God how He orchestrated everything for us. Alam mo yon, parang kahit gaano katagal mo nang di nakita yung isang tao, pero if you know that yung friendship na yun is genuine, As in, parang pa rin kayo. As in, ganun yung na-feel namin. That's why I was able to invite them nung wedding ko din. And they were able to celebrate with me. And kagabi, we were able to celebrate with Jazel naman. Nandun kami ni Ate Karen. Matatawag kong low-maintenance friendship na parang you don't get to see each other every day or every week, pero hindi nawawala yung friendship. Distance is not an issue. And I hope kayo din kung meron kayong mga kaibigan na, alam mo yon, meron kayong mga high-maintenance friends yung mga tipong clingy talaga kayo na parang gusto nyo magkita kayo every day. Meron din tayong mga tao sa buhay natin na medyo chill lang kayo. Maraming nagbago, pero parang walang nagbago. I don't know if it makes sense, pero ganun siya. So, yun lang naman po. Thank you so much for watching. So, if this is your first time to watch my video, I'd like to thank you for dropping by. But if not, kung hindi mo to first time, thank you so much for the love and support. So, yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog here. This has been Mrs. Diaries. See you on my next one.